Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here with a special edition, a special Halloween edition of the Mortgage Nerd. I dressed up as a nerd, so I don't know, are you supposed to dress up as what you are for Halloween or not? But who cares, I did it anyway. I talked yesterday about the rates. I talked about how the Fed dropping the rate doesn't necessarily mean that the fixed rate mortgages are going to drop. And we didn't think they would. But when the Fed came out and they gave their comments on why they're doing it, they said many times that there's muted inflation. They're not afraid of inflation. They're going to stop dropping the rate until they hear anything from global economies and everything. That actually caused rates to go down. It caused the mortgage bonds to go up and the treasuries to go down, caused rates to go down. And I was saying yesterday, I said, if we get bad news, then rates could go back down. Stock market's at its highest point, and there could be a bounce. Actually, here, let me show you. Well, first of all, the trade deal looks like it's going to happen. Unless all of a sudden it breaks down again, then we might see rates go down. Because bad news is good for rates. In other words, rates go down. Good news in the economy is bad for rates. Good news means rates go up. So you see, that's exactly what I was saying yesterday morning. Now, today, let's look at what's happened in the charts. Because at 5 a.m. today, Halloween, October 31st, Thursday, 5 a.m., China says that they don't believe a trade deal is going to happen with Trump. That's the bad news we were looking for in the mortgage business. So looking at the charts, we see right here, we see mortgage bonds up 22. From yesterday, look at this climb. I tell you all the time, up here, these are the low rates. So we got higher rates, and then 2 days, yesterday and today. Now there's all this room before we hit this resistance. Please, please, I have a lot of people that want to refinance. So let's look at the treasuries now. So in the treasuries, it's the inverse. This is how rates kind of follow this. As this goes down, the rates go down. Big movement today, bigger than yesterday. Hopefully we continue to break through, might get down to some of these low levels again. I'm excited, not so scared on Halloween, as I was scared weeks ago when rates started to drop. Thanks for joining me as I nerd out here. I'm glad to see that rates are going back down. So the lowest rates might not be behind us in 2019. Hopefully we get some more. Thanks, Mortgage Nerd out.